This is Dan Davis, and this is the Additive Report. So when most people think of motorcycle manufacturing, they either think Harley or maybe some of these people that customize them for a living. You know, big, gaudy, chrome, hug the road. Not something you would find in your normal suburban garage. During my visit to Formnext in Frankfurt, Germany this past November, I came across a small mini bike. It was a replica of the Honda Z series. It became known as the Jane. So if you're not familiar with the Honda Jane, or the Honda Z series as it was formerly known, it was a small mini bike. And what comes to mind for me is when I used to page through the pages of the Guinness Book of World Records as a kid, there was always that picture of the world's heaviest twins that sat on that little mini bike. Now that's what I thought of when I saw the mini bike at Formnext in Germany this past November. Now obviously there was no world's heaviest men there, and that wasn't the reason I'm bringing up this story. This is about a gas tank that was 3D printed and actually pretty sophisticated in its design. Instead of being formed in two separate pieces and welded together, this thing was 3D printed. Now the company that did this work was Veba, a French motorcycle company, and not only did they just 3D print a gas tank, they actually incorporated a honeycomb structure inside it to prevent sloshing back and forth, which in all honesty for a mini bike that size is pretty important. To learn more about companies like Veba, who are actually putting 3D printing technology into action and making a difference in their manufacturing efforts, I invite you to check out the Additive Report.
You just wanted to talk about that.
That's what, you know what?
That's gotta be out there stuff.
But that's what came to mind.
Intro.
That's what
Yeah, I
came to
remember
mind
that
when I
as a
saw it.